What's up, YouTube? I'm back at it. I'm gonna do a review on two clippers, changing the blades out, and I'm gonna fix my Gamma Ergo Plus clippers. I have the rose gold and it's not working for me, so I might change it to silver, might change it to gold. I don't know yet, but let's find out and see. Now, I got my briefcase, handy dandy, you know. Let's level up, barbers. Let's stop getting these $20 Harbor Freight clippers boxes, and let's upgrade. Shout out to the plug for getting me this clipper case and the blades. Also shout out to Northbaybarbersupply. They always hook me up with all the best stuff. Them too, I'll put their link in the bio for their Instagram. They come to the shop. They're bringing my clippers, my trimmers, my liners, anything I need, guards, hairspray to gels. They're the place to go in North Bay. Let's get started. So a big thing that I do want to do a review on are these clippers. Hitters. I have the purple one. The purple ones are the Frank the Barber. These are the Patrick the Barber edition. Green. I changed the bottom to a black. Nothing too crazy. Now, my purple ones hit off the box. I didn't have to adjust them. I didn't have to try and sharpen them. I didn't have to do anything. These, on the other hand, I zero gapped them. I sharpened them, I oiled them, I did whatever I could, but they weren't cutting. Now that happens in clippers all the time. You can get 10 good clippers, 10 good trimmers, and the 11th one might not hit. It's not their fault. It's just how it was manufactured. Either the machine didn't do it right, whatever the case is. These didn't hit for, I believe, 160, 70 bucks for the collection. I have two. I have the green one and the purple one. For me to pay this much and not hit, it's not. I wouldn't get them again. Now, I love clippers. Before, I used to collect sneakers, and now all I do is just clipper this, clipper that. The barbers at the shop are always, Abe always gets the newest things. I like them. I gotta experience how to cut new things, new hair, new textures, new styles. It's perfect. I love it. So what I did do is I got the Babyliss Fx gold blade. Now this is the black one. These apparently they're graphite, I believe, 2.0. These are what generation, new thing. Crazy, go crazy. These are what we started with when I was getting better at cutting. You got the gold ones. Hey, these hit. So let's see if these are going to work. Hopefully, we'll find out. I'll show you a tutorial how to zero gap them, how to, make them hit, everything. So we'll do that in a bit. Now, the slim lines. These are my go-to liners before Andis, the T outliners, before the Gamma liners, before the Babyliss liners, whatever the case is. These have always treated me well. I had them since Barber School. I won them at my first barber competition, and this was one of my prizes. This is probably like the 5th time I've switched them out because I would always use them. So got a new blade for it. Nothing too crazy. I know some people be customizing them and putting different blades on these that are bigger. I don't have to get too fancy with it. If you can cut with Walmart clippers, you can cut with these clippers. I let the work do the talking. So let me show you the two blades again. Let's see if it. The Babyliss, these go crazy. Shout out to North Bay for hooking me up with these. And then these bad boys are the Andis Slimline Pro LIs. Thank you to the plug. Like I said, I'll put their link in the bio. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, after that, I do have my hitters, my babies. Out of seniors, I had every type of senior when it came to cord, no cord, 100-year anniversary, the blue wireless ones, the gray ones, everything, to fast feed clippers, to masters, to cordless masters, to Babyliss, to everything. The Gamma Pluses, first gen, go crazy. I have the second gen. I don't like them. I might do a review on them. I might not. Y'all let me know in the comments. But yeah, we're gonna switch this cover. As you can see, I use them so much that the plastic is cracking, hair's getting through it. These are my babies. I also got the taper, oh no, the fade blade, sorry, the fade blade. These, I like fade blades over taper blades. I feel like you can take the bulk right through them. I don't really have to do anything. I zero gap these. These are the second blade in the past year, and I use these every day at least 5 to 6 times on a client. These are all I use. The blades don't wear out. These, crazy. These, I suggest you get a pair. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know, I might put the gold one on or the silver one on, and I might put the black thing, the black cover on. I don't know. Figure it out. Alright guys, I'm gonna start taking off the blade, this graphite 2.0, and I'm gonna use this gold FX. I'm gonna need just a regular screwdriver and this Babyliss. I don't know what it is. I don't know if you can see. It's like a round thing, and that's just a zero gap. The blade on the inside. So I'll probably do that first. If you can see the teeth right there, it looks pretty close to zero gap, but I'm gonna try and get them just a little more tighter, just so I see how these bad boys hit. Alright, all you do is beat little by little. You don't have to push them up too high. Ooh, and then retwist. I learned how to adjust my clippers back at barber school, just because, you know, you don't want to keep asking the same dude, hey bro, can you fix my clippers? Like, if you're a barber, you should know how to fix your clippers. So what I'm gonna do now is take these two blades off. I already zero gap these. Zero gap means it's as close as, as close to the blade as possible. There we go. Gucci. Okay, so let's do this. Let's take these, put them over here. Comment if you guys know who this character is. I'm a huge Dragon Ball Z fan. Let me know whose son this is. So it's easy, you know, all you have to do is just unscrew it. Now, what I usually do with these blades is, you know, I'll clean them up, see what I can reuse and refurbish and all that. You know, what I can keep, what I can't keep. I do like these black screws, so I might put them here. I'm not sure yet. Let's see how it looks. So it's easy. I already adjusted these, already zero gapped. All I have to do is just, bow, put them right here. Ooh, these actually look saucy already with the gold. I already knew I was gonna use these gold ones. I never use the gold blades, but you know, why not? Let's try it out for the first time. Reminds me of the Green Bay Packers. Big cheese heads. I'm a Niner fan myself, but hey, this looks wet. Now I didn't bring any oil, but I do have some disinfectant spray. Ooh, you hear the sound of that? These go crazy now. Incredible Hulks. Alright, let's get the spray, lubricate them up a little bit. And I always like to test it. You see, I got hair, I got a hairy arm. I can always just tap it. See if it cuts. It looks like it's cutting like butter. Not too sharp, not too hard. Perfect.